You've got your Cash App account all set up. You're ready to dive into the world of cashless transactions. But wait, how do you actually put money on this thing? Don't worry, you're not alone. Millions of people have asked themselves the same question. So, let's break it down. How do you add money to your Cash App web? First off, let's talk about why you might want to use Cash App web instead of the app. Maybe you're on a computer and it's just easier, or perhaps you prefer the bigger screen for managing your finances. Whatever the reason, we've got you covered. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. Adding money to your Cash App web is actually pretty straightforward. There are a few different methods you can use, and we'll go through each one step by step. Method 1. Linking your bank account. This is probably the most common way to add money to Cash App. It's simple, quick, and usually involves no fees. To do this, you'll need your bank account information handy. Once you're logged into your Cash App web account, look for the option to add money. You should see a prompt to link your bank account. Enter your bank details and verify your account. Once it's linked, you can transfer money from your bank to your Cash App instantly or on a scheduled basis. Method 2. Using a debit card. If you don't want to link your entire bank account, you can use a debit card to add money. This is a good option if you only need to add a small amount or if you're concerned about security. The process is similar to linking a bank account, but you'll only need your debit card information. Keep in mind that some debit cards might have fees associated with Cash App transactions, so check with your bank beforehand. Method 3. Cash App Direct Deposit. If you get paid through direct deposit, you can set it up to go directly into your Cash App. This is a convenient way to manage your money, especially if you want to automatically save a portion of your income. To set up direct deposit, you'll need your Cash App routing and account number. You can find this information in the Cash App app or on the Cash App website. Method 4. Cash App Card Reload. If you have a Cash App card, you can reload it with cash at participating retail stores. This is a good option if you prefer to handle physical cash or if you don't have a bank account. To find a nearby reload location, you can use the Cash App app or website. Now, let's talk about fees. While Cash App doesn't charge fees for most transactions, there might be fees associated with certain activities, like instant transfers or using a debit card. It's important to understand the fee structure to avoid surprises. Also, keep in mind that there might be limits on how much money you can add to your Cash App at once. These limits vary depending on your account verification level. To increase your limits, you might need to verify your identity by providing additional information. And remember, security is crucial when it comes to your money. Always make sure you're on the official Cash App website and never share your account information with anyone. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.